In Whitehouse, Westmoreland, fishermen are contemplating how to move forward now that their livelihood has taken a massive hit by the hurricane. Jamaica Maitland is in the parish and now reports.
I'm not left down here, sir. I write down here a bomb job. You write down here a bomb job.
Fisherman Dwight Johnson describing the level of destruction at the Whitehouse fishing village following Hurricane Melissa.
I never seen not like this yet.
Along the Whitehouse fishing beach, child's play has taken a deep, dark and twisted turn. Fishing boats tossed like toys, crashing and piling into each other. The fish pots, they're damaged. Now the fishing village is left with just a battered beach. They're trying to come to terms about what really happened.
The Whitehouse fishing village is one of the biggest and most vibrant in Jamaica. It's an economic driver for the community, which according to the latest population census has over 4,000 residents. But its impact, according to the fisherfolk, is thousands more.
I feel weak. Because I lose my boat, I hit send in my school, I hit my Cali house. You better me did see and the house gone. That's me. Can't hit make your house.
Philemon Samuels also makes boats. He says if given the right materials, he'll get back on his feet. He says Hurricane Melissa has brought him and the entire fishing village to their knees.
The whole life fishing and I hear mash up all the fishing house. The building top gone, everything gone. We don't have nothing to leave. So the ice house damage over there, so same way. So even if we have little boat can't go see, we don't have no ice and we don't have no current, we don't have nothing.
Some fishermen have been giving their stock for free. Others are selling it for a small fee. Scaled like always, but this time the head is completely removed to prevent spoilage. Just enough time to take home and prepare. As for others,
We have to turn them in a service. Yes, when we remain, we have to turn them in a service.
unfortunately for Raphael Taylor, the storm has left him heartbroken twice. He was among victims whose fish stock was stolen sometime in or after the passage of the hurricane. When asked how long it'll take to recover,
each one help one as we can help each other and try to get back things together. You understand? To get back things where it was. Because exactly, it is a disaster. Real disaster.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.